Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy Botshelo Sello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So the topic for tonight is our weekly analysis. So I still have those two pairs for last week, that is GBPJPY gold, and I'll add USDCAD to it. So let me start with GBPJPY. Let me go to the 4 hours so you can see it properly. As you remember, we took buy entry somewhere here, so we're still in profits. But when it comes here, I saw a lot of rejection, and it's a strong zone. It's a strong zone, but it's still going up. But now I can see a reversal pattern. Let me just remove this so I can show you. Let me remove this one. Now I can see a reversal pattern, but we're still going up. I just want to show you something. I don't want to confuse you. That's why I'm removing the old one, so that you guys can see what I'm seeing here. Let me remove this old one. I just want to show you guys something. Or you can put it like this, whichever way you want. Remember, this is the 4 hour. So what I'm expecting here is that maybe the price could come up here, then it goes up again. What I'm expecting is the price to come here, then it goes up again for the third touch. Then we're expecting something like this, and it breaks to the downside. Because if you remember correctly, guys, this is a long-term sell. So I'm expecting something like this, because what I'm seeing now is a reversal pattern. So I removed the older pattern so that it doesn't confuse you. So this is what I'm expecting now, for the price to come here, touch this trend line, and goes up again for a third touch. After a third touch, we're gonna put ourselves somewhere here. Then we know that it's going down for long term now. But this is our short term buy that we still in. So I think I'll also get an entry if it comes here. I'll see how it goes somewhere here. Then that's when I'll enter again, maybe a buy. Then I know here on the third touch, that's when I go out. Then that's when I enter my sell entries here. Then I know that it's gonna be a long-term sell. So we'll see how the market opens, and we see how the candlesticks react when it comes to this price here. And our second one is gold. As you can see on gold, we also had a continuation pattern here, but even here I can also see a reversal pattern. So I think, let me just remove it so it doesn't confuse you. I don't want you to be confused. So I can also see here a reversal pattern. Let me just show you something. That way is correct. And here, let me go to the 1 hour so we can see it nicely, because now we can't see it nicely. So this is the 1 hour. Sorry, this is the for the 1 hour. Something like this needs to touch a second time. So as you can see, this is the first, second, and third touch. I just saw it now. This is the third touch. So what it might do now, let me go to the file. I just want to check something out. First touch, second touch, third touch. So as you know, gold for a long term we're going buy. So I just want to see something here. the first, second, third touch. And then after the third touch, we'll just see how the price reacts. I'll actually, let me show you what I'll wait for. If it breaks the trend line, I'll wait for a break. Correction. And normally that's where I enter my trade. When it corrects, then I know my target will be here. You can see this is our 90% through. My target will be here. Then after here, I know that's when I'll place my buy entries, because for the long term I'm also seeing a buy here on gold. So this is what I'm expecting. If it doesn't go like this, maybe it can bounce here, maybe it can go up to here. That's where I'll enter my trades then. So but we'll see how it goes. But if it breaks when the market opens, if it breaks, I know that I'll wait for it to break. After it break, it does a correction. Then after correcting, then I know that it's going for a sell. Then that's when I'll enter. So I'll enter my trades somewhere here, because I don't normally enter a trade when it breaks, because most of the time after it breaks it corrects. So I prefer for it to correct. Then I know that it will go down. It can even go sell for 3 days. Even after it sells for 3 days, I know that it will come up. I will touch it will be the resistance line. Then that's when I'll enter the trade. Then I'll go down with it. I know that it won't come back again and take me out. So usually I wait for the break. After the break, after the break it corrects. After correcting, then that's when I enter my trades. So the third pair is USDCAD. As you can see, let me do this. As you can see, this is an impulse and this is a big correction. So I'll be waiting for buy entries. I did enter, I think I do somewhere here, but I took profit somewhere here. Took the profit somewhere here because I see that this is a strong zone. So when it's a strong zone, normally it retests and then it goes up again. So let me show you what I see on USDCAD. You can see this is for daily. As you can see, it broke here, then it came and corrected. That's why I usually enter the trade. Then I think it was somewhere here, yeah. I think that's where I took my profits, because I saw that it's a strong zone. As you can see, it broke, the price broke. Let me go to the 4 hour. I think that's where you can see it much better. So you see the price broke, came and corrected, and then that's when it starts going up. So I'll be looking for buy entries on USDCAD. Be looking for buy entries. As you can see, this is a, can see still going up. Let me just go down to the 1 hour and see which pattern it's creating now. So maybe for me to enter the trade, let me just see something. This is not a pattern. I actually don't like this because it's not a pattern, this one. So I don't usually like entering trades like this. I like patterns. When I see a pattern, then that's when I know that this trade is for me. But if I don't see a clear pattern, then I do not enter a trade. That's what I normally do. I do not force trades. If the trade doesn't form a pattern, then I know I'm not going in, because I don't like to force trades. If maybe you're seeing an entry on a pair, then you see that it doesn't go your way or your analysis is messed up, leave the trade alone. and check it maybe after a week and see if, as you can see this, I didn't see this on the 15 minutes, on the 15-minute time frame. As you can see, it broke here, price broke, went up, came and retested, and now it's going up. So let me just show you. I also use the time frame, guys, don't be surprised. Also use the 15-minute time frame. So maybe it can do something like this when the market opens, but I'll watch it carefully. Maybe a third touch here, then it will go up. So I'll be watching USDCAD. Maybe I can get some entries during the week. Maybe I can get some entries. So this is the pairs that I'm still having. These two pairs I've traded them for 2 weeks or 3 weeks now. Still entering the trade, still scaling in. So as you can see, this is a big move, then correcting, then another big move. So I'll be watching USDCAD for the next coming week. I'll watch it carefully, or it can do something like this. Let me just remove this. It can do something like this. I'm just showing you guys the possibilities. Just showing you the possibilities of this trade. Can do something like this. No touch. Then something like this. So we'll just have to wait for the market to open and see how this pair goes. So please, guys, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, guys, and enjoy your day.